Say it again.
Best freaking dad, right? That's all I got to say is best freaking dad. 57 degrees.
He's got to go from here to there.
Now, to me, it is from 70 something degrees to 57 something degrees. That's the difficult part. Here we go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Who's the dumbass with frozen toe?
Jokes won't solve it. Go or don't go? We're getting him annoyed there, so let's just...
It's like, why? I keep saying like, why?
We can walk around.
No, we can't.
Woo! Daddy, what do you have to say for yourself?
Come on, Mommy.
Mom, you have to come with your phone now so you can videotape us making it to the island.
No.